Hey guys, Zach Kerber here, head of growth at Realia, and today I wanted to dive into something that is really specific that I felt like I had to show you guys instead of just talking about on an email. So the thing that I wanted to talk about the most today was ad landing pages and lead generation landing pages, which is the talk of the town right now. Running Facebook ads, running Google ads, it's all the rage right now. Getting leads has always been an issue for realtors. So how can we really look at an ad landing page and quickly be able to tell, is it good or is it bad? So with that being said, I'm actually gonna jump into my computer and audit a few realtors ad landing pages live here and show you guys really the difference. And the main thing that I want you guys to keep in mind is we're really gonna be focusing on, hey, does this ad landing page either distract somebody and give them options to go away from what we want them to do? Or is the ad landing page serving a very specific purpose and not giving them any other options? It's literally like, hey, this landing page, if it's a good one, should just give you the option to convert into a lead, or you have to leave. Nothing in between. So with that being said, let's hop into the computer. Let's take a look here and let's see what's going on. All right, guys, so here we are at the computer here. I wanted to just quickly show you guys the difference between good landing pages and bad landing pages and why they are good and bad. So with that being said, I did do a quick search here for a realtor in Phoenix, just as an example. I actually came across homesellerarizona.com. He says he's the best Scottsdale realtor. He says top realtor in Phoenix. Great. So what we did is we clicked on that. This is the page that it takes us to. Now, overall, I would say it's just not a bad design, but there's some fundamental changes that he really needs to take care of that will just skyrocket the amount of conversions that he's currently getting. So with that being said, let's take a look here. Now, while this website doesn't look bad per se, especially at the top, it's really not driving us to do anything, or we don't think we're going to get anything out of this, right? Like, we're going to do extraordinary real estate and we're going to start our journey. So this is talking to a very, very hot, like somebody's got to really like this guy's website to just throw their information in here, right? There's not a whole lot of other stuff asking about us. And then the biggest factor on this website that is kind of going to be holding him back from converting a bunch of leads is that it's just another page on his website. I mean, look at all of these other pages that I can go click on. I can go read about him. I can go read his blogs. I can click on statistics. It's almost endless the amount of time that I can spend on this website. Now look at, I'm totally off any type of information gathering website page. It's not going to ask me for my information anymore. I'm just kind of clicking around. Now, what this guy just paid for in terms of like a lead to get me on here, it's really not going to convert me at this point, because now it's not asking for my information unless I went to go click on the contact us form, which in that case, I might be able to give him my information again. Now, on the flip side, how you can prevent really wasting any time, money, or energy on lead generation efforts is having a ad landing page that has been tested by hundreds of thousands of dollars and will convert. So let's take a look at this page. It looks great, modern design, right? We know that we're going to get an instant offer. We're going to sell our homes in days. So that's right off the bat telling me much more than starting a journey here. And I know exactly what I'm going to get when I put my information in here. There's an exchange, right? You're almost going to be paying for something when you enter your information in. You're paying with your information. So you need to get something back. This is just as good as a contact us form, which we really don't see convert at all anymore. The other side of this website is that there's only a couple of buttons here. And this is part of somebody's larger website, right? But this is a page that we know is specific to lead generation. So why would we have our blog on here? Why would we have all these other things when that's not going to be what converts and we're not going to be able to collect their information? Do not let them go there, because when they go there, now they're a lost lead. They're roaming around your website, and it's what we call lead leakage. So they're leaking to other parts of your website, and they're falling out of the bucket of leads that could have been potential closes, right? So if we take a look, the biggest factor in why this page is going to be successful is not only because
we know exactly what we're getting when we enter our information. It's like a transaction here, but there's only a couple of buttons here, and all of them lead to you gathering information about this person and really being able to convert them and turn them into a deal, not just a visitor on your website. It still can communicate just as much information. You can have your about you there, you can have your headshot here, you can have all that stuff, but there's no menu, there's not all this other stuff. Now, this person's website does have all that, the normal website, but that's a whole different type of website visit. This is something you paid for. It's lead generation focused. You're trying to get this lead. Do not let them go all over your website and get lost. Have only a couple of buttons, call to actions, get it very clear what they're going to get. And I guarantee you, your guys' cost per lead will come down, and you guys will see better sources of leads through any generation efforts that you're doing.
All right, I hope that you guys got some value out of that, looking at some ad landing pages, being able to tell now what's good and what's bad. So whether you're gonna be running your own, whether you're creating your own pages, whether somebody's gonna be running them for you, now you have some insights and knowledge into, hey, this is what's good, this is what's bad about these ad landing pages, and overall just being able to convert better, get leads for cheaper, and close more deals for less investment. And if you guys are interested in getting your own system put together that is going to be a front-end website for you guys so you can build your brand, a back-end CRM so you can send automations, follow up in your sleep, convert more people, don't forget about follow-ups, and then really like some battle-tested ad landing pages that we've spent hundreds of thousands of dollars testing for you guys, we are very happy to kind of even just demo it to you for free. All you guys have to do is click the button below this video, pick out a time that works best for you. These ad landing pages are responsible for thousands of leads, thousands of clicks, and many, many real estate deals. So what I want to do is offer you guys that opportunity for watching this video as a thank you. Go ahead and click that button below, and I will see you guys soon. Thanks.